a phone that you can wear on your wrist. The future I wanted is finally here. We've seen plenty of folding phones before, including Motorola's own Razr phone, but the adaptive display concept takes that even further. When flat, it functions just like any other Android phone. But when you're done with your Instagramming or emailing or other nonsense, then you can simply curve it around your wrist and wear it like a bracelet. A magnetic strap keeps it in place. The idea is to let your phone function more like a smartwatch, letting you see incoming notifications and then take it off to use as a phone when you need that full screen experience. It presumably also frees up your pocket space for sweets. But that bendiness also allows the phone to act as its own stand, so you can place it on a desk and use the front-facing camera for video calls or for embarrassing selfies. Motorola has a good history with quirky concepts. Last year at Mobile World Congress, the company showed off the Riser, which had a screen that almost magically extended outwards. And while neither the Riser nor this wrist phone will be going on sale, it's really cool to see new ideas in phones like this. But of course, this is strictly just a concept for now, so there is no word on when or if this will ever actually be something we can buy. But of course, we can hope. What do you think of Motorola's cool wearable phone? Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below and keep it CNET for a lot more.